probably going to have to relay.
Around midnight on May 2nd, 2021, two storage buildings caught fire at Amtrak shops in Beech Grove, Indiana. Indianapolis Fire Department arrived on scene shortly afterwards and took these videos while fighting the flames. Luckily, the buildings only held paint and cleaning supplies, and no one was injured. It is believed that the buildings were set on fire intentionally. Beech Grove is a very important Amtrak facility. This is where Amtrak rebuilds and repaints its engines and passenger cars. Amtrak P40DC number 822 was right next to the buildings when the fire broke out, but it seems that no damage was done to the locomotive. Later in the morning, I visited Beech Grove to see the aftermath of the fire. From the air, we could get a good look at the damage to the roof and sides of the buildings. It's definitely a little weird that this incident happened a day after Amtrak's 50th anniversary. If the fire was indeed intentional, hopefully the person who caused it will be held accountable. Thank you for watching another Sam Loves Trains Railroad video. If you enjoyed, please leave a like, and check out my channel for more railroad content.